Hi, welcome to DataMiner 4.0. In this video, I'll just do a quick overview of the new layout and some of the features it has to offer. So let's jump right in. Let's open up DataMiner, and then you'll see right away we have a new layout. At the top, there's a few tabs. We have your My Recipes, your bookmarks, and then the public recipes. And on the left, we have a few more navigation links. And at the top, we have a search bar where you can actually search for a specific recipe. Let's search for scrape. And now, as you can see, we have a recipe called sandbox-scrape in front of us. We have the ability to run it, edit it, bookmark it, and then if it's your My Recipe, you can also delete it. Let's go ahead and run it now. We're now looking at the data viewer. This is where you can see the actual data, or you can start the next page feature, which will click to the next page and continue to scrape. As you can see, there's a few more options that go with that. And you also have the option to download. At this point, I'm going to close out of the data viewer and show you one more awesome feature. If you're on a site that doesn't have a public recipe, you can actually create your own. We have a recipe creator built right in. So let's go ahead and click New Recipe. And then here is where you can actually build your own recipe. You can build some rows, columns, and then once that's done, you can save it. After it's saved, you can then run it back in that viewer. So that's pretty much it for this quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And then also, if you're interested in hearing when the 4.0 is released, we recommend subscribing to our YouTube channel. We'll notify you when the release happens. All right, well, thank you for watching and see you soon.